New Hermes agent just changed everything, and today I'm showing you the agent operating system we built on top of it. So what is it? Hermes is one of the strongest open agents out there right now, but most people use it wrong. They open the desktop app, or they sit in the terminal. And that's fine for 5 minutes. Then it breaks, or you lose your chats, or you're staring at a black screen typing commands like it's 1998. The Agent OS fixes that. It's a mission control dashboard. Hermes runs in the back, and every tool Hermes has gets its own little room in the house. That one change makes it about 10 times more useful, and I'll show you why in a second. But first, the part most people don't expect. Look at the top of the screen. That's Hermes with a wake word. I say the word, it wakes up, and I talk to it. There's a wall mode too, so you can stick a tablet on your desk and just talk at it all day. I can say open up Google and it opens my browser right there. I can also type instead of talking. So if you're in a coffee shop, you're not shouting at your laptop like a weirdo. And down the side, every conversation I've ever had with it is saved. In the terminal, you can't do that. You lose it. Here, it's all sitting there. One line I use a lot. Build me a simple to-do list app for tracking my content plan. It builds it, and then you get a live preview of the thing you just made right in the dashboard. Small thing, but that's the whole idea of this system. Take a tool that's already strong and put it somewhere you'll actually use it. Now, the second room, and this one changes how you show up online every single day. It's called Hermes Oracle. It's a news engine. Every 24 hours, it scans the trending headlines in my space. It pulls what's actually moving, then it ranks it, then it drafts social posts about it, or writes a full blog and publishes it straight to my WordPress site. One click. Today, it pulled Grok 4.5 entering private beta because that was trending on X, so I can be talking about that while it's still hot instead of finding out about it 3 days later like everyone else. Here's a blog it published, formatted properly, images in, done. For me, the prompt looks like this. Take today's top AI agent story and write a post for the AI Profit Boardroom blog explaining what it means for a small business owner. That's it. It goes out. Think about what that solves. Most people don't post because they don't know what to post. This picks the topic for you, writes it, and puts it live. But the news engine isn't even the part people get most excited about. Quick pause here because this next part is where the whole thing gets serious, and there's something I want to tell you first. And if you want this exact agent operating system, you can get it. Not a course about it, the actual system. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom classroom, there's a zip file you download and install, the full Hermes Agent OS, the same one on your screen right now. Video walkthrough included. We update it daily as new stuff gets added. You also get daily tutorials showing you how to use each part of it, the Oracle News Engine for content, the lead gen room for outreach, the memory system so your agents stop forgetting, 4 coaching calls a week where you can share your screen and I'll look at your actual Hermes setup and tell you what's wrong with it, a 30-day roadmap so you know exactly what to build first, second and third, and members, loads of them already running the Agent OS, posting what they're building with it. Link in the description or go to aiprofitboardroom.com. Right, back to it. And this next piece is the one I'd fight to keep, the studio. Images, videos, voice notes, all in one place. It runs on Minimax or Grok, and you flip between them depending on what you're already subscribed to. If you're on a Minimax coding plan, plug it in. If you're on X and have Grok, use that. So when I need a thumbnail, a short clip, or a voiceover, I don't open 4 different sites. I stay in the same dashboard. Example, make me a clean banner image for the AI Profit Boardroom showing a mission control dashboard. 10 seconds done, back to work. And every single thing you generate gets saved into a workspace, sorted by which model made it. So if I want to look back at everything Grok built for me last month, it's all in one folder. Now let's talk about the room that quietly does the most work. Lead generation. Inside that section, I type what kind of people I want to reach. It goes and finds them. It finds the contact details. It fills in the extra info about each one, what they do, where they are, what their site says. Then I can delete anyone who doesn't fit my list, my rules. Then I go to the campaign section. I tell it what the campaign is about, and it writes a different message for each person based on what it learned about them. Not one message blasted at 500 people, a different one each time. Then I hit activate. I've used it for outreach to get more members into the AI Profit Boardroom and for link building outreach for our sites. One tool inside the same dashboard as everything else. Mixture of experts. Here's the idea in plain words. Instead of asking one AI, you ask 2 or 3 at the same time. Then a fourth one reads all the answers and picks the best bits. So in the panel, I've got Claude Opus 4.8 and GPT 5.5 wired into Hermes. I type my question, I hit run panel, both models answer, then the system compares them and gives me one clean answer built from both. It's like asking 2 smart friends the same question, then taking the best half of each answer instead of picking a favorite. And the result beats what either one gives you alone. A lot of what you're seeing in this dashboard was built using that panel. Why does that matter to you? Because everyone's sitting around waiting for GPT 5.6, waiting for the next Claude, waiting for a model that might get gated, might get limited, might never show up the way they promised. You don't have to wait. You can stack the models you already have and get better answers today. Which brings me to the thing that made me build this whole system in the first place. Fable 5. People built entire workflows on it, then it went away, and there was nothing they could do. All that work, gone, because it lived inside somebody else's tool. That's why I stopped caring so much about models and started caring about systems. A model can be taken from you. A system you installed on your own machine stays yours. That's the whole point of the Agent OS. Every room in it is its own little system. Swap the engine, keep the car. And speaking of keeping things, this next room is the one people underestimate the most. The memory galaxy. Every agent you run inside the Agent OS shares one memory. Hermes, Claude, whatever you've got plugged in. It all writes into one Obsidian Vault automatically. Then you can see it visually, like a map of everything you've ever told your agents, floating in one place. You can search it, you can click into any memory. I'll say it simply. Most people's AI setups have amnesia. Every chat starts from zero. You explain your business again and again and again. With this, you explain it once, then every agent knows it. So when I say write a welcome message for new AI Profit Boardroom members, it already knows what the boardroom is, who joins it, and how I talk. I don't paste in a briefing document every time. That's the difference between using AI and having a setup. Now, the last room, and this one is where it stops feeling like a chat window at all, the automation boards. They look like a Kanban board, cards, columns, the whole thing. But each card is a job, and Hermes agents pick them up and do them. So I can have one profile writing a blog, another one making the images, another one drafting the social posts about it. They work together. I drop a task on the board and it moves through the columns until it's done. Example, I drop in, write the weekly boardroom update post and make the graphic for it. The writing agent takes it, hands it to the image agent, and it lands finished. You're not chatting anymore at that point. You're running a small team. Now let me show you why all of this saves so much of your day, using something boring and real. Say you're doing SEO the old way. You open one tool for keyword research, another tool to write the content. You subscribe to a third one for the data, then a rank tracker, then Google Search Console. Then you log into WordPress and paste it all in. 6 tabs, 6 logins, half your morning gone. In the Agent OS, that's one place. Research, write, publish, same dashboard. And it's still there tomorrow, set up exactly how you left it. That's the real win, not AI wrote my post. It's that you stop rebuilding the same process from scratch every single time. So what should you actually do with this? If you've never run an AI agent before, start with one room, just the voice agent. Talk to it, have it open pages, and pull things up for you for a week. Get used to the feeling of asking instead of clicking. If you already use ChatGPT or Claude every day, but you're stuck in the chat box, go straight to the memory galaxy. Load your business into it once, then watch how much better every answer gets from every model forever. If you make content, turn on the Oracle, let it find your topic every morning and draft the post. You'll never stare at a blank page again. If you run a team, go to the automation boards. Put your repeating weekly jobs on there as cards, the ones you do every Monday without thinking. Let the agents pick them up. And if you've been burned before, you built a workflow, the tool changed, you lost it, then build the system this time, locally, where nobody can take it off you. So if you want this exact system, go get it. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom classroom, the full Hermes Agent OS is sitting there as a zip file. Download it, install it, done. There's a video tutorial walking you through the install step by step, and we update the file daily as we add new rooms to it. Then you get daily tutorials on the parts you'll actually use, setting up the Oracle so it publishes to your site, wiring the memory galaxy so your agents remember your business, building your first lead campaign in the outreach room, and stacking models in the mixture of experts panel so your answers beat any single model. 4 coaching calls every week. Share your screen. Show me your Hermes setup. I'll tell you what to fix. Complete beginner? There's a beginner to expert path in there. Stuck at 11 p.m. Someone's online members, plenty of them running the Agent OS right now and posting what they've built with it. Plus a member map so you can find people near you doing the same thing and actually meet them. Link in the comments and description, or go to aiprofitboardroom.com. And if you just want to look around first, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free community, members, all the notes from this video, and over 100 AI use cases like the ones I showed you today. Links are in the comments and description too.